Today we're going to be doing a bullion knot. I'm going to bring my needle up from the back of my felt, take my needle down, that's the length of the stitch that I want it to be. I'm going to leave a large loop and bring my needle up through the hole that I began at. Don't bring your needle all the way through, start wrapping around the needle. So keep it nice and loose and not too tight because we need to pull this off in a second. And you're just going to wrap around, keep pushing it down, wrapping it around for the stitch length of this gap in between here. So I'm just going to do a couple more, hold on to it, and now I'm going to bring my needle through and take my needle down. As you can see, the bullion stitch is a tight coiled shape. It looks like a rolled tube and it can be short or long depending on what stitch length you would like, and it's perfect for roses, hair, fur and textured lines. A quick tip though, make sure you wrap and match the number of wraps to the stitch length so that it lays flat, unless you want a different desired effect, but get the tension right. Thank you so much for watching.